Hi everyone, the much anticipated big Navi has finally arrived, the RX 6800 XT graphics cards, being the first to hit the market today. Many of you must be keen to know how they actually perform, so today we're going to run some tests and take a look at some real-world gaming benchmarks. Let's get started. The first game we tested is Assassin's Creed Valhalla, a gorgeous-looking RPG game that launched just earlier this month. Under the benchmark mode at 1080p, you can see that the GPU clock reaches 2460 MHz, and the temperature is around 63 to 64 degrees Celsius. The second game we tested is the Red Dead Redemption 2, featuring a massive open world and stunning visuals. Under the same benchmark mode at 1080p, the GPU clock ranges from 2440 to 2450 MHz, with the temperature hovering around 65 degrees Celsius. The average FPS exceeds 100 for the whole test. The last game is Watch Dogs Legion, another GPU-demanding open-world game. Under 1080p, the GPU clock still maintains a higher level of 2440 to 2450 MHz. The temperature never exceeds 70 degrees Celsius through the whole test. We've also tested these games with different resolutions and compared these numbers with those at the 5700 XT. You can see there's a huge jump in performance between the 5700 XT to the 6800 XT. This has been a quick review of the performance of GIGABYTE's RX 1600 XT graphics cards. We will be offering an AORUS version of these cards soon for the 1600 series. So stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.